So we just came across a very deep cliff while driving inside the forest of Nakanai. And as you can see, right down below is where a creek is flowing. It's very scary, yeah. What do you guys think? Zila and Abi? Is it very scary to go down? Yeah.
If somebody fall.
Huh?
If somebody fall,
Yeah.
it's a big trouble.
Yes, that's true. If somebody falls, it will be a big trouble. Okay, so there you have it. This is the forest of Nakana here. Very deep forest. So we still have a long way to go. So girls will continue on our journey. Okay, let's head back to the vehicle and then we will go, because we need to go and check out that waterfall, the other waterfall that we said to go and see. Zila and Abi. Now we are at Vamukuma. This is one of the best spots within the Nakanai district of West New Britain province. In fact, we have just crossed over the border and gone into East New Britain province. This is the hidden waterfall found at Vamukuma. Vamukuma is just inside the provincial boundary of East New Britain province. It is hidden away from the main highway. And there you have it. Awesome, wonderful, beautiful. Wow. So let me just take a walk into the jungles of Vamukuma in the provincial boundaries of West New Britain and East New Britain province. So look at all this beautiful clear flowing creek and the tree vines just falling down right up from these tree canopies out there. This is natural virgin forest. Man, so beautiful. It is so peaceful. How great is that? Wonderful. Right. Oh, somebody must have cut all these trees down and left them at the side of the creek here. I think they might probably come back to pick it up. Yeah, nice. I've been seeing a lot of freshwater fish and some crayfish, prawns, freshwater prawns in this creek here. I'm sure there's a lot of them. Yeah, there's a lot of them. So the creek is flowing right from the top of the hill up there, but I can't go because it's becoming quite slippery for me, so probably I'll turn around from here and head back. Right. Oops. Yeah, probably head back. And there's that waterfall. So majestic. Whoops. What's this? It's quite dark, I can't see this one. The waterfall is right inside. Amazing. Zilla, did you wash already?
Yes.
Okay. Then we will head back now. Let's go back to the house. It's going to be a long drive back. Oops. I'm sinking into that sand. Wow, the river is, the creek is flowing very fast down there. This is another section of the Vamukuma River. In my earlier video, I showed you the waterfall. So the waterfall comes down and then it flows right down. Amazing. I've never seen this. I think this is the first time for me to come here and to see this. It's a really beautiful spot for to cool off, to swim here, and the kids are going to really love it. Man, beautiful. Alright, the next time I think we'll get the kids and we'll come over here and they can swim. Okay. Alright. Oh, great. Then I'm gonna head back up to the road, get on the vehicle because everybody's waiting for me. And I guess they're already getting frustrated because I'm spending a lot of time down here at the creek. So let me just head back. Oh, that was an afternoon well spent. That's my kind of an afternoon. Walking around in the jungle, seeing nature, spending time at the creek, the river. That's very exciting. Much more exciting than anything else. All right, now I'm back on the road and everyone is, I guess they're frustrated. They're frustrated at me for taking too long. Mommy, are you frustrated? Oh, sorry. And Zilla? Zilla and... Are you guys frustrated? Oh no. Okay. All right, let's go. Okay. Hi, the door is locked. Zilla and Abi, all of you excited?
Yeah.
All right, cheers. Mommy is frustrated. Okay, no worries, Mommy. I will make peace with you when we go to the house. Oh, that is great.